frame of this inverter. First, I need to connect my charger. Okay, and after that, today I clean my bench for good work, because the first important thing is that you need to a clean bench like this, as you can see. Okay, keep your bench clean to operate everything better. Okay, and you can keep better than me. Okay, first I need to search my this live stream for better view. Not updated. No, this live stream. Okay, I found my live stream. It's okay. And now I need to a little zoom in. Okay. Yesterday night we are in this area. We was in this area. Okay. So now I need to get some copper wire for this top to bottom connections. Okay, I get a little piece of copper wire, solid copper wire. An American wire gauge, approximately I think this is the 23 AWG. Okay, and after that I need connect this top side with bottom side, and the previous work video link in the description of this video. Okay, and I need to set my phone with near my mouth. Okay, because I have no Bluetooth mic. I was here, but yesterday I was try with charging, so this is not support with the charging, and this was damaged yesterday. Okay, so I need to talk more loud, and this is hard, but we need. Okay, so now I'm just putting this wire. I need to remove, but if I put in this position, this is power good. Okay, or I need to put four together. Okay, I put four together, and now I need to first solder this. but first I need to remove this green solder mask from here. For better soldering, okay, first I need to remove this green solder mask, okay, from here. For this you need, first I am trying with this file to remove this green solder mask, and this is the good thing, to scratch this or remove this green solder mask. I am trying another tool. This is the flat screwdriver to remove this green solder mask from here. The previous work live stream in the description of this live stream, okay, I was add a link, the previous live work of this. We work a lot of this on this, okay, and you can watch. After that I was add a link of this previous work. So here I create 4, 3, 7 and 6, 5. So I create a 12 holes for this, and now I need to clean this for better soldering. This is not perfectly clean, so now I need to clean this little more green solder mask for better soldering. Because this is the 5000 watts inverter and this is the input using for output 5000 watts. So first I need to cut this, and first I need to solder on this side. Okay, the view is good and you can more zoom from your device. Okay, this is the copper wire, okay, solid copper wire, a 23 gauge AWG American wire gauge, okay, 23 AWG. Okay. First I need to put all the wires or the conductor, okay, and after that I need to better solder. this, and after that I need to cut the extra wires from here. But first I need to install or put all the 12 wires. It's okay. I put it a 5. And after that we need to check every power supply for running the drive card and fans and everything. Okay, we have a lot of different voltages for operating different components. And for better view I need to provide more light. Okay, how much I install or put? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 3 6 and 3 9, and this is the number 10. Okay, and this is the number 11. I have just one more to put. My man, I have a little difficulties in this, but why, man? Why this is one not going on this? Okay, finally. Now I need to provide a PPD paste or liquid solder for better soldering. Okay, so I am providing this. My clamp is busy in another liquid, so I am providing just with this. Here the weather is very cold. Okay, I need to provide some hot air for this area. Okay, melt there. Okay, and now I need to provide this liquid solder. Okay, and now I need to provide a hot air to melt this. Okay, and now I need to proper with soldering iron. Okay, for better soldering, first I need to clean my tape. I need to provide some this solder. here we have an inductor. We need to cut this, and after the cutting we need to engrave. Oh man, I think the earth is kicking, but now stop. It's okay. The earth was quick here for just some second, but now everything is stable. Okay, after that I need to cut the extra wires from here. And if you are working on growatt SPF 3000 TL and 5000 TL, so you need to watch my videos, because I am also repairing this in this condition. If you watch the previous live of this inverter, so you can understand what I can does. Okay, and now I need to this to cut this from here, because I need to, this is the easy way to push. Okay, we have some unsurfaced area, so we need to cut this from this side, and after that we need to push. Okay, this is the easy way for us. Okay, first I need to cut this like this. Okay, okay, now we have some area for this. Now I need to melt and push, so I need to zoom in, and after that I need to full myself stick for better view. It's okay, now you can view in the middle of your screen. Okay, and now I need to melt this and push this for better surface. Okay, and I I melt this, okay, as you can see the wire is on. I pushed for better surface, okay. Don't worry about this, we can remove again, okay, but we have just a surface area, okay. And after that I need to extra with engraving method, okay. But first I need to cut this with my required size, so I need to finally cut this. Because I installed this big copper track again because we was lost this copper track. Okay, you know, now I need to clean this on the time with this soldering pump. It's okay. And now I need to proper solder this from this side. It's okay. It's done. Oh man, I missed the shot, I think. Yes, I missed the shot. But it's done now. I cannot repeat this process because okay, now I need to engrave this extra pins with engraving tools, okay. And first I need to set this in camera, and now I need to provide some more light. Okay, I have some grinding tools and some engraving tools. So here I have this grinding tool. First I am trying on this. If I can on this is the better thing, okay. First I need to provide a power to my little drill. Okay. Now after that I need to carefully now I'm just trying on this side. is not good. This method is good, I think. This is the cheapest quality grinding tool. Okay, now I need to use some another engraving tool because this thing is not good. I have this is the better thing to engrave metals. Okay. Okay, we have approximately 0.7 mm and I need to keep 0.5 mm. That's okay, now I need to just press this. That's okay, that's done. Okay, now I need to just clean this area. First I need to remove this all particles. Okay, but I think we have some liquid in this area, so I need to clean with brush. Okay, first I need to clean this particle with brush to remove from this. Okay, and after that we need to clean this with cotton swab, and we need to this with some air pressure. Okay, first I am trying on air pressure. You need to down your device volume. Okay, okay, now I need to clean this thing. Don't worry about this, okay? Everything is fine. From what condition I make this condition, you can't believe this is the word. Yesterday live stream. Okay, I touched this little bit, but it does not matter. Now I need to clean this. We have no any particles. Okay, we have no any particles in the transistor, sorry, in the IGBT's area. Okay, and I need to run a 4000 and 800 watts when I done this. Okay, this is my repairing test, and I need to run. The inverter is 5000 watts, and I need to run 4800 watts on this device when I done. Okay, and you need to just check the previous live of this inverter and look the condition of this board first. After that, you know about what I was does yesterday with this damaged board and this damaged copper tracks. Okay, this operation is okay for this side. We have a little solder in this area, so first I need to remove this. As you can see, here we have some solder. First I need to remove this from this area. Or surface this. Okay. Now I'm just putting the inductor to check. Yes, you can easily put, okay, this inductor. And now I need to surface, but this is the bottom area, bottom side, but I'm just trying a little, okay, a little to engrave. For better surface. Who can understand this thing, who know about the amps, amperes, or current. And when I solder the inductor, so I need to apply a green mask on this area. Now I need to clean first with the brush, okay, and after that I need to clean with cotton swab and thinner. Now we have some carbon on this area, so first I need to remove this carbon from this area, and I need to a little zoom out to cover more area, okay, because I don't want to miss any shot, and I am providing more light for better view. I am providing a 500 watts of illusion light. Yes, ma'am. Now you can see better, and I can, okay. I am comparing alcohol and thinner. What the difference in these two things? I have some few drops for microcontroller, but I need to experiment on this. First I need to clean this from thinners, and after that I need to dry this, and I am just doing an experiment on alcohol. Because we cannot found here alcohol, because here is the alcohol is banned, okay. So I have a few drops, just For this, I apply approximately 1.5 drop, and now I'm just trying on this what the difference between cleaning with alcohol and retarder. I am using also retarder, okay, not alcohol I am just using for microcontrollers solder mask. But in my experience, the alcohol is not better than my test liquid. Okay, now I am applying my liquid, and as you can see, this is the best thing from alcohol to clean this thing. Okay, so you need to use, I need to show you this liquid name. This is more powerful from alcohol. This is the name of this liquid, okay? Retarder, okay? Retarder. This is not the thinner, retarder, okay? Take a screenshot from this name, retarder, okay? So this is the comparison. This is the retarder result, okay? I receive some carbon with retarder. This is the retarder result, and this is the alcohol. Now you compare at yourself. I need to apply some like this for easy, okay? Right, brothers. Okay, sorry for that, but I need to pay some payment of the restaurant, okay, or hotel, but this is the hotel, not restaurant. Anyone watch I yesterday live from 5 people? need to perfectly clean. Okay, this is the requirement of electricity. Okay, not my requirement, not your requirement. This is the requirement of high frequency electricity. Okay, I have some more. Approximately in 10 minutes I can done. Oh. And here I need to install these tracks. Okay, now I need to clean this tracks. Okay, here we have some carbon or soldering plugs, but I need to clean. And here we have some doubtful melted copper. I need to know about this. Clean. Okay, perfectly. Now we need to know about this melted copper or what. Okay, we have one capacitor. Okay, and this green solder mask, first I need to provide ultraviolet light because this is melt again. This green solder mask. First I need to provide ultraviolet. And after that I don't need to provide more thinner. Ada. Assalamualaikum. Kene za कार को मखैर दे जा बस kene संग चल ले रहा बस यार लग गया यू नो रे नो दल तब की गर्मी जरूर लगा नोड़ा बस ज़रा दिमाग गूरी दा ख़ुज़मा फेवरेट कसान ने नूर सुखी नुद वकासानी गूरी से अमा नूर कसान ला बिजी दे वाला ग्रुस तो तारा गर्मी की मु तो कार को दा आसान नोड़े मज़ेदार कार दे सर जमा और वो घंटे बाद मा कार कर 10 शेव का ना जिसम इरा शेव और दे गर्मी पैदा कई और दगा दे दा दे दिसी गर्मी पैदा कई भी अब लजीब दिसी कई का ना मुकम्मल में दर लाया है चेबो हां ए नूरला यो बचे नूरला ما चे बस के तब चढ़ता रहा भाई हां चेहरा उड़ी करना मां चेहरा उड़ी सही दा चक्कर भाई सही दा बस दगा जमा कर दे मर गया रे दादा तो सो दा 2,80,000 हुई राशि 2,80,000 ना जोड़ول غواړي وصل به زره به خرچه ده چې وایي ना मड़ा दुमरा मजेदार हाँ लाड़े सारा okay brother sorry for that okay now I need to zoom out little okay And now I need to know about this melted pin, because this is connected with gate, sorry, uh, yes, with gate. So the component, this is connected with this source, and after that this is the gate pin of this IGBT, and this is the source pin of this IGBT. So this is just for gate to source discharge resistor. Okay, so we need to cut a copper. We need to cut a copper for this area first. Okay, as you can see, here we have no line for this gate to source discharge resistor. This is the copper strip. I was solder this to keep safe from humidity. Okay, now I need to remove this 49 kilo ohm resistor from here. This is the gate to source or gate to emitter discharge resistor. Okay, and now I need to solder with this, but first I need to measure, and first I need to cut this in half. Okay, I cut this, and now I need to cut. Okay, so that I need to keep this piece in box, and now I need to connect this with this line, and I need to know about other components. Okay, here we have just two non-polarized capacitor, but the capacitor is connected. Just spark come here and melt this point, and I think I lost the piece of copper strip. Okay, I found here. I have, oh man, come here. Okay, and it's a little bit hard to do this work with gloves, but this is the requirement of working. Okay, for soft fingers, and if you are not working with gloves, so you have a hard fingers. Okay. First, I need to know about this white line. Okay, I need to remove. Okay, this line is okay. to set again, and I need to keep safe from this white line. Now it's okay. Now this is on the good position. Okay. Now I need to proper solder this. Oh man, I was does a mistake. It's not on the perfect area. I need to keep more distance like this. It's okay. It's okay. And now I need to install a 49.2 kilo ohm resistor on this area where my 49.2 kilo ohm resistor. And brother, you need to wait because I order a tea and I am a little hungry. Okay. Agora já. Agora já. Okay, brother, welcome back. Need to just some need just for 10 seconds. Okay, now we need to install a 49.2 kilo ohm resistor on this place. So here I have, but I think I have not in this box perfect size, so I need to remove from my boards. Okay, this is my board and I need to remove it from this. Okay, I remove, and now I need to check the value. It's okay. Now I need to install. I need to focus on this because this is the special thing you need to do. And here we have a 47 ohm resistor. So I am not removing this because we need to work on the drive circuit of this, okay? Because when you receive a burn or open value or blasted or broken resistor, so you need to work on the drive circuit, okay? And this is the reason I am not removing on this time, okay? Because this is the big reminder for me to work on the drive circuit for this area, for this IGBT, okay? Okay, I connected perfectly. Now I need to connect quickly this. Yes, I connect successfully, and now I need to connect this properly because we have another contact for holding now. Okay, this is properly connected. Yes, sir. And now I need to this extra piece hold on PCB and heads. Okay, and now I need to provide some green mask to hold this copper strip because after that we can remove this solder again. So I am just providing a green mask for this to connect with this. Okay. I apply some green solder mask, and now I need to provide ultraviolet light for dry this green mask. That's enough. That's dry. Okay, now we need to install this area capacitor, but we have a lot of capacitor and relay. First we need to check all. Okay, and after that we need to install a true components. Okay, all thing we have in one box. So the first thing we need to remove this IGBT, and this 4 IGBT. Okay, and this 4 we have a true resistance. Okay. And after that we need to check a drive, and I am telling you how you can check without control drive card. If I can, I think about this for this IGBTs, okay, for this, not for this IGBT, For this IGBT, we have a PWM modulation from this area. This is the SD3525AN, okay? And we can run, I think we can run this without control drive card to check this PWM modulation, okay? And after that, we can install more through IGBT, okay? But first we need to work on this drive and check this component. First, I need to check about the control drive, and I am in every live I am saying you about this things. If you receive a broken or devalue gate resistor, now you're thinking about what is the gate resistor. This is the pin number 1 gate pin. 2 an IGBT you can call collector, and this is the pin number 3 emitter, okay? And the MOSFET, we have the pin number 1 same gate, 2 drain, 3 source, okay? So this is the gate pin. We have connect a 47 ohm SMD resistor, okay? So the resistor is okay, so we don't have to more worry about this drive, okay? Now I need to check this another. This is okay. Now this is the third, it's okay. Now this is the fourth, it's okay. And here we have a 18 volt Zener diode for this drive, okay? So we need to check this. This is the true continuity of Zener diode, okay? This is the second, it's okay. And this is the third. We have all 8, okay? It's okay. And this is the 4th, it's okay. And this is the 5th, it's okay. Now I need to reverse the polarity because we have negative, positive here and negative here. That's okay. Now we need to read more this 2 Zener diode. That's okay. All the Zener diode and resistors of this IGBT are okay, but we have a one broken and devalue resistor of 47 ohm. So we need to worry about this, and we need to think about this, and we need to fix this issue. So how you can find this drive, okay? From where coming this drive voltages? This drive voltages is coming from this HCPL 3120, okay? And some board you have HCPL 3150, okay? But the same, the pin configuration for all number is the same. For example, 8350, okay? So this drive is coming from this output, pin number 6 and pin number 7, okay, with 47 ohm resistance, but we have a broken resistor, so we have a continuity. We need to have a continuity with this, I think, because this is the middle IGBT. Okay, sorry man, our broken resistor is this, okay? So we need to have a continuity with this pin, as you can see and as you can hearing, or this continuity is okay, but we have a broken or devalue resistor, so we need to check this drive, okay? So this is the diode for this drive. The diode value is open, no any continuity, okay? So first we need to check about this diode continuity. This is the Scotty diode, okay? Scotty diode means short resistance, okay? 286 and 265 ohm. I I think I ordered some Scotty diode, but first I need to check the resistance of this diode because first time I'm using this. Okay, so I need to check this because sometimes we order one thing and the seller send or ship another thing. Okay, so first I need to check the continuity of this diode, and here we need to install a Scotty diode. Okay, Scotty means short key or Scotty, but the final meaningful thing is that we have a low resistance. Okay, we need to have a low resistance for Scotty diode. Okay, so I get one, and now I need to check the continuity of this diode. This is the positive, so we need to keep our multimeter negative probe on the positive. Oh man, okay. Oh, as you can see, this is a Scotty diode. Okay, now I can install this. First I need to remove this, and we need to worry about just one disk drive. Okay, it's okay, I remove, and now I need to solder this solder mask. Okay, install carefully and care about the polarity. Okay, but yeah, okay, we have some liquid here because yesterday I washed this board. Okay, and I am not liking the hot air to install a component because this is the reason, as you can see. This is the good method. And now we need to check the HCPL 3120 or 8350 V. Okay, this is the pin number 1. Okay, and this is the pin number 8. The pin number 5 is negative and the pin number 7 is positive, so you need to keep the pin on the pin number 5 the multimeter positive probe because in the diodes, and set your multimeter on continuity or diode mode. So here we have no any continuity, it's mean or this autocoupler is open. Okay, now I am checking this another to confirm this. Okay, we have here a 363 ohm continuity, and this we have 85, but this is a little hard, so we have a little no. Okay, now we need to check more this. Okay, 420, 400 and why man. Okay, because the hot air come here on this side. So I have air, and now I am providing air, and as you can see, the HCPL 310 is cooling down and the continuity is going to high. Okay, as you can see. So this autocoupler is open, so we need to remove this. And how you can remove safely without damaging anything. Okay, so the hot air gun is not good for this operation. You need to learn about how to remove with soldering iron. Okay, you need to melt all the point, all the solders at a time. Okay, first I need to provide some more solder, and we have no connection for this pin. Okay, because this is the melted pin. You can easily remove this. Okay, and after that you need to remove all the extra solder like this. Okay, no need for any desoldering work. Okay, you need to just have experience or knowledge about soldering and desoldering. Okay, and here we have HCPL 310. Okay, and you can install here HCPL 3150 or 8350. Okay, now I need to clean this. And now we need to check all this component about this HCPL 3120 because the plasma has come and cut the pin of this HCPL 310 pin number 1. Okay, so here we have some SMD. Here we have one SMD NPN transistor, and first I need to keep a best direction for you. Okay, not for me, just for you. Okay, now same direction of the pin number and configuration. Okay, first I need to set this. How you can check in the board NPN or PNP transistor. So here we have a NPN, so I am telling about you the NPN. Okay, I just zoom in to provide you a good quality view. Okay, now here we have a one NPN transistor and the marking code is W1P. I know about this is the NPN, so this is the pin number 1 from left side, and the middle we have a pin number 2, and here we have a pin number 3. So you need first to set your multimeter on continuity or diode mode. Okay, and after that you need to keep the multimeter positive probe for NPN transistor on the pin number 1, and after that you need to keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 2, and here we need to, it's okay. And now after that you need to keep on the pin number 3 the multimeter negative probe, as you can see. Now we need to check with this continuity to confirm with this continuity. Okay, so here we have how much continuity, 584. Okay, and with this 625, so we need to measure with this 582. Okay, and here 600. It's mean or this NPN transistor is okay. Now we need to check this diode. This is the diode. Okay, 592, and here how much we have. Okay, same. So it's mean these two components is okay. Now here we have 01A SMD resistor. The size is 0603. So I think this is the 100 ohm resistor. Yes, that's okay. And now we need to check with this another the same value. That's okay. Now here we have a 500 ohm resistor and the marking code is 68A. Okay, 68A. And this is I think the 500 ohm, but we have some more other continuity. Okay, so we need to check with this continuity. Okay, the same continuity. And after that here we have a 01P. I think this is the 1 kilo ohm, and here we have a 617 ohm. So we need to check with this the same value. It's okay. And here we have a 240 ohm resistor. Okay, and now we need to check with this. It's okay. So after that we have another diode for drive this optocoupler. Okay, 603, and here that's okay. And here we have another 500 ohm resistor. It's okay, 488, 9. Okay, and here we have that's okay. So it's mean we just lost the HCPL 3120. Okay, so now I need to install HCPL 3120. Okay, and how you can check an open circuit with multimeter and with theory. First I need to hold with some pin for reading better continuity. So I am just soldering this, and after that I need to convert this in SMD package. Okay, so I need to set first the direction for better direction, and after that I need to connect with some solder point like here, but I need to empty area. So we have here empty area. I'm just connecting this to just hold this component. Okay, just for you. Okay, I just hold this. Now how you can check, because I order the full out. Okay, because this is the original, and when I am purchasing a new, so I am always receiving a fake number, printed number. Okay, now this is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 5 and keep the multimeter, we need to keep the multimeter positive probe on the pin number 5 and negative on the pin number 7. We have internal resistance. Okay, this is okay. and after that we need to keep on the same, and after that we need to keep on the pin number 6. Man, I was does one mistake. Yes, we have a negative for pin number 5 and we have a positive for pin number 8. Okay, not 7. Now I remember. This is the internal resistance. Now I need to check this again because I does a mistake, because we are a human. Okay, now I need to check this. But we have a short. Are here they this thing. Thank you, bro. यार दिन हुआ तो बियार से स्क्वायर लेके चाची सुरे कड़ी
ना सुरे कड़ी वादा ना
हाँ
हाँ
नसीर को मालूम कम खैर है
हाँ
राजी ना सकते तेजाब हुआ
हाँ तेजाब होने दिवाली
हाँ
दा वक्त में चेस को आ रहे हैं बस चेस
दिया कोई भी तो कराने के ट्रांस what's the يوصل لغاية
उसको रखा ना सुरलेट
أنت voltage load है كان ذاك السورليت ورقي ده بزوجي ولا توتال كده بس تاسكو أيوة
उसको दखाने पागल था फिर बजे वाला कौन
وأنا حقيقي خير غدي قولي يا غدي هذا كل واحد اللي بيطلع كده لازم يركب النمبر ده جايات شفت زيرو ده باخر کی حد ہے ہمارا کوئی بھی کمی نمبر یا شو بھی ابھی ہم نوٹ چیک ها وس تفسير device ثاني हाँ ये मैं चेक कर लेते हैं मास्टर ये अंदर रिकॉर्ड वीडियो स्टॉक हाँ
किसे बराबर है हाँ मैं जब होता हूँ लगो मेरा मकसद
ده يمكن بس يكشف والغالي خاصة ده بود لريكوما مرة برا यार नकी बगैर तो दिन खबर है دا ډېر هایلایټ غواړي دا بعضې کاري که نه ډېر باریکي لیتیم دغه به ولګئ کمیونیکیشن दुनिया दिसतो दुमरा कट परक
मसाला पकड़े रहो
ठिक छ
सही
अन्त दे लिथियम तोरबाडum
जब वो करता है
ولا شيء ليثيوم خير كبير وهذا بيك أنا ठिक छ फाल्ट त लाड ځکه چې لیثیم نه ده کنه صحیح ده بیا هم سوج ما سره رابطه کوه میخونه به دې طرف کم د ته بیا اسانه دې طرف اسانه Bien. Okay. You need to do 5-minute waits, brother, because I need to deal this customer, but we have already damaged this pin, so this is short. Okay, and the pin configuration I am telling you again. Okay, abal bade ka da dukan akwai ya kai mun ne na
हाँ
da hasala sikka mana
دا هواي بيتنا دي بكسر أول دي كندي
وهو راضي اكثر باغي ابي ام اس باي باس شي
دقة أي كسكين
لا تشكو تشك خي
دقة هو سو ده يوتين ما راول ما
ها
أغا سيلون أغا برسولي ختم ولا كا
ها
وساكا سوي بدي كي أوتو سيلون خراب دي
ها
نور روم
دا ونی سره سره کوي
ما تمه مالت بارول جوړه کا
ها
بارول لپاره د بي ام اس پسند سیستم
یاره بارون بینس ملایي غو د لیتیم سره غپ مله غو لیتیم ډېر ډینجرس شي دی اوره
ها
لیتیم چې نه خپل لیکره شو دا 2800 13,800 जी शापर प्रति रेट पर 13 16,000 600 16 ضرب 600 إذا ما ضرب كرهي شوي.
The battery को सब कब शुरू कम हो जाएगी?
حتى يتوقف شيء. لكن يوم رأس خدا بقول لكم maintaining يعني السلب كخراب नहीं ده غسوال को.
ना सिर्फ खराब हो तो बदल को. हाँ. अगर वो तुम कर दो करना नहीं होगा खराब.
सही. अब सार शेयर होते हैं सार शेयर होते हैं. सार.
तो बकार को भी
सही. सही. Okay, brother, I receive money for my effort. This is a lot for me. Okay, now I am telling you. Sorry for waiting because I am running my workshop. Okay, not just live stream. And I am sorry for this. Okay, here we have a pin number 5 negative, here we have a pin number 8 positive, and you need to keep the multimeter positive probe on the negative and keep the multimeter negative probe on the positive. Here we have a 638 ohm resistance, and after that, if I am keeping on this, we have a continuity from negative 436 ohm. Okay, and when I keep this on the positive, so we need to have more continuity, more resistance from this pin, because this is the positive and this is the negative, and we have internal block diagram a transistors. So here we need to have more than, okay, like this. Okay, we have from the positive, the pin number 8 is positive, so we have from positive 596 ohm resistance, and we have from negative 439. Okay, and this two pin is connected internal. Okay, this is the same pin number 6 and 7. Okay, and after that you need to check, this is the pin number 2, so you need to keep your multimeter positive probe on the pin number 2, and you need to keep your multimeter negative probe on the pin number 3, and we need to have 1.3 or 1.2 or 1.4 continuity. Okay, this is the operating pins, these two pins for operating internal. Second, nada kari dia ma na kari. Dabu je ma pakar dia ha. Pakar tak shaw. Okay. Na, makawa. Hadi second. What? Okay, a madman come and he touching my door and knocking me. Okay, sorry for loud sound. Okay, we have this autocoupler through resistance. Okay, so now I need to first convert to SMD package, and how you can convert this from dip to SMD. So you need to apply tool like this. Okay, and this is a little damage because I am using approximately from last 2 years. So you need to make an angle like 90 degree. Okay, it's okay. And now the same process with another side. First you need to straight the pin, and after that you need to keep like this and make an angle or bend this. Okay, as you can see. And after that I need or you need to cut the extra pins. My cutter is not good, so I am cutting this with scissor in this area. Okay. And now you can see I convert this to SMD package. Okay, now you can use this and SMD. Okay, now I am installing this. I am soldering this with soldering iron. Okay, not hot air, because I am not liking the hot air for some components. Okay, so this is the direction of this. First I need to solder one pin temporary, okay, to hold this on best position. Okay, this is the best position. And now I need to proper solder this. Okay, now I need to connect this pins. Okay, now I need to push this and melt all the pins to set down better. It's okay. Now for this side, okay. I need to solder this one pin. It's okay. Now I need to show you a close view of this. And my live is always very long because I am teaching about everything. Okay, not just for repairing. I am teaching you the basics of repairing. Okay, so when you learn the basics, you can troubleshoot every type of fault or error. Okay, now I need to make, first I need to replace this 47 ohm resistor, because we set all your drive component. Okay, so now I am just removing this 47 ohm resistor with soldering iron. Okay, finally I remove this. clean this, and I need to see the solder connection with other, but this two resistors they install in parallel. The one is connected for the gate to source or gate to emitter discharge, and the one for that the gate drive resistor. Okay, so we don't need to have more worry about this. I just need to install a 147 ohm resistor. And I think the people are not liking to explain everything. They just need how we can troubleshoot just to replacing a component. This is not the basics, man. You need to know about the basics. Okay, if you are working on this, a person who tell me directly to replace this components and troubleshoot, this is not possible. Just the wasting of your time. Okay, when you learn about the basics, and I am teaching with basics. Okay, the basics is the best thing to teach a person, and no anyone teach me like me. I just learn all from data sheets and basics. It's okay. And after that we need to check the drive voltages for this IGBT. Okay, so now we need to remove this 5 IGBT. Okay, now the turn to remove the IGBT finally. Okay, and I need to work step by step. Okay, not just telling you you can replace this and you can troubleshoot this part. No, this is not the method to learn. Okay, first you need to learn about the basic of this inverter. After that you can troubleshoot like this difficult and hard parts. Okay, first you need to just lose all the screw the needed. Okay, and after that you need remove your nozzle from your hot air gun and provide a hot air to this IGBT, because I am removing this without damaging the thermo pad or isolation pad. Okay, so we need to provide a hot air approximately 1 minute. If you are bored, so you can skip 1 minute. But this is the requirement of this operation. Move here to here. Okay, don't provide to one continuously. You need to just hot this area. Okay, now I need to try get a flat screwdriver like this and apply a little bit force. Okay, now I separate this from heatsink, and now the turn of this. Okay, I separated, separated, separated. Okay, now I need to completely remove this screw after this procedure. Okay, and I need to completely separate this pipe IGBT from heatsink and thermopad. Okay, now I need to completely separate this to remove. Don't touch the thermopad. Okay, we have also we need to remove this thing, this HDR. Okay, you can call this HDR, heat dependent resistor. Okay, now I need to separate this. Don't touch the thermopad, and I think I touch a little. After that I need to remove this pipe IGBT quickly. And I am installing my special tip for this. And first I need to resolder all this pin. First I need to heat up my tip. Okay. Don't remove this diode before. Okay, I am teaching you, I am telling you. Now I think is again quick. Okay, after that first you need to provide a heat at a time to these 3 pins. If the IGBT fall down automatically, so you don't need to keep. First I need to tighten this. First you need to melt all the solder of this IGBT, and after that you need to why man, I think the one pin is faulted, or I think I does a mistake. No any mistake, then why not removing? So I need to attach some tool for removing this. Okay, my soldering temperature is low. Now I need to provide. Okay, and as you remove. Okay, now I'm trying on this. Okay, apply some force from this side like this. Okay, apply some force quickly. No man, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All the IGBT. And after that, why I told you don't remove this diode, because this diode is connected with this IGBT. Your reading, so okay, the diode is okay. And check the reverse polarity. No any reverse polarity. Okay, we have a true diode. Okay. And now we need to check this IGBT. Are the five are short, or we have some true IGBT in this. How you can check? Learn. Keep your multimeter negative on the pin number 2 and positive. Short, 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 short. This 5 IGBT is short. I'm keeping just for pins to install another pull out IGBTs. Okay, and now I need to remove this solder. Okay, and I am also giving you a one tip. Keep the board heatsink screw with another box. So I am keeping this in another box. Okay, now I need to remove this solder from here, so I need to change my tape. Okay. Now I need to clean this. My desoldering pump is full. And I need to clean this first. Laura. Laura. Okay, sorry for that. And after that, I am teaching you very specially, okay, how you can check the drive and all the power supply after the debadging of this type. This type of boards, and how you can repair with 100% confidence, and how you can give a money back guarantee to the customer to run a load. And we don't need to worry about this drive because we have a true resistance of gate drive, and this is the symbol of true drive, good drive. It's okay, I clean all, and now I need to this tools on the side because this right side is my working side. I cannot now move the board to this side because I have a lot of tools on my this side. This is my right side and your down side. This is your right and this is your left. And this is for me up and this is for me down. Okay, now we need to provide a track for this. Okay, so first I need to set this or completely cut this because this is loose. Okay, I am cutting. Cut carefully, okay, because here we have more lines. It's okay. And now I need to know about this. So the line is coming from here. I need to cut this copper ball. This is the melted copper. Okay, now I need to connect this and come here to here and from here to on this track to here. Okay, so first I need to get a piece of wire for this, and I need to remove this halogen lamp light because now this is the boring thing. Oh, the halogen lamp is too hot. It's okay, now I need to little zoom, little man. It's okay, sorry for vibration. And now I need to make line from somewhere. Okay, I'm also using this. This is, I think, the 29 AWG. This is enough for this, is just for cents, not for any amps. Okay, just for milliamps. Okay, milliamps. Okay, and now first I need my solder is finished, and this is my reserve option to purchase more solder. This is the reserve option. My solder is just, I have this solder from my room. Okay, now I need to solder this. Then here, okay, this is our starting point. Now I need to cut this wire from this rule. Okay, I cut this. Okay, and after that I need to attach this here properly. Okay, and after that I need a super glue just for temporary use. Okay, not for permanently. I am sharing with you. Okay, but when I install this wire, first I need to collect some super glue. I am giving a tip. Okay, don't worry, and take care when you are using a super glue. Yung nagat kap tirawal pabya bay sak ko sa taktam no sa mara kara. Wakad ya.
Kap ke hट कब संगा
Ulu kaya rawda mana mo gat pura push. Okay. No any voltages we apply. Okay, so we can keep any metal. Okay. Now I am giving you one tip. Just get a plastic insulation tape or cotton tape, okay, and attach your nearest area, okay, and collect or get some super glue, one drop. This is enough for me. Okay, and now I need to a sharp thing like this teeth pack. Okay, just get a little super glue. Okay, and now I need to paste here on this track. Okay, a little, and after that I need to keep a flat screwdriver here. Okay, and after that I need to keep another thing on this to paste. Okay, or place properly. It's okay, and do some wet to dry this. After that you need to make an angle, so you need to keep on this corner and make an angle like this. Okay, and after that you need to provide more super glue. Okay, and just hold this thing and wait to dry. Okay, and provide some air in your mouth, your windpipe for quick dry. And use always best super glue. Okay, and now I need to remove this varnish or enamel or paint, what you want to call. Okay, and this is our connection point to this resistor. Okay, because first we need to confirm, but take care in this moment. I have a super glue. Okay, this is the resistor point and this is our track. Okay, so we have just this resistor point to connect with this. And now where is my nib where I keep, man? Okay, here I have, so I need to remove this varnish. I need to keep this screwdriver on this area, and after that I need to remove this varnish little. Okay, and after that I need to set the angle. It's okay perfectly. Now I need to solder with this on the tile with track, and with this resistor I need to provide more heat to burn this varnish for good soldering. Okay, I make a good contact, okay, with solder. Now I need to provide more super glue for this. Okay, and after that I need to keep the screwdriver on this angle. Okay, and after that I need to bend this and make an angle like the PCB. Okay, and after that I need to provide more hot super glue. Okay, and I need to try this, and I am providing air. Okay, and after that I need to make one more angle on this like this to this angle. Okay, and straight a wire. Oh man, it broke. So I need to again place this and provide air to dry this. Okay, now I need to wait for dry this. Sorry, this is my need. Okay, now I need to provide more super glue here to hold this. Okay, and first I need to place, and after that I need to wait for dry. Okay, and this is the isolated wire. Okay, we have lot of varnish, but if we have not a varnish, does not matter because I selected a proper size of wire for this, and we have approximately 1.5 mm space for this track. Okay, and after that I need to make one more angle like this. Okay, and after that I need to provide some more super glue. Okay, I need to get one more drop of super glue on this another area, because that's okay. Don't worry about the PCB. I am not applying a glue on the PCB. I am applying a glue with isolation tape. Okay, and after that I need to make one more angle like this, and now I need to provide again super glue. Okay, and now I need to wet or dry. It's not dry. I need to add some more second. Okay, it's dry, and now I need to make one another angle. Now I need to provide more super glue. Here is the weather very cold, so super glue is not quickly drying. Okay, now I need to provide this angle more super glue. Okay, after that I need to wet or dry. I'm just keeping this thing, and I'm providing air to quick dry. I need to do some wet. Okay, now I need to make one more angle. Yes, straight the wire. Okay, after that I need to keep a screwdriver on this and apply it to force, and here I need, but this thing is not good. First I need to straight this wire. Okay, first I need to provide here some more glue. to straight this with this teeth back to keep on specific area. And first I need to provide some air. Okay, and after that I need to keep this on this, but first I need to apply some more super glue. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. We need to do some more wet part, better dry, because here we have one more angle. Can I apply 100 degrees centigrade hot air and just try for quick dry? This is 100, okay? It's okay now. I need one more drop here. Okay. Now I need to make one more angle, but first I need to add some more super glue on this. Okay. Now I need to make an angle. Okay. Now I need to set on this angle. It's okay. We need to do some seconds wet. And we have just one angle, okay, to make. Keep a flat screwdriver and make an angle like this, okay. And after that we have just one angle, and we need to solder this with this control drive female header pin, okay. And after that I am showing you very closely, okay. And give your feedback about this. Is this the true thing in your experience and your knowledge or not? So you need to share your feedback. No any comment I received in this live stream. don't see. Is this the thing? I need to make one more angle and I need to solder this. So first I need to scratch here. Okay, and now I need to cut this first. It's okay. Now I need to cut this on proper area. Yes, I cut this finally, and now I need to solder with this pin. Okay, I need one more sharp thing. Connect with this pin. Okay, finally I received the wire here and I need to scratch. Okay, now I need to just solder this. Okay, now we need to do just solder this finally. Okay, now I need to show you closely. Okay, just check the angles. Okay, the wire is come from here and here I attach with this resistor and line, and after that this is coming with the angles. Okay, and finally I attach with this pin. Okay, check the soldering. Okay, and now I need to carefully remove this super glue tab from this board. Okay, now I need to keep the super glue bottle and this thing, this box, because this is the dangerous thing. Okay, the line is perfectly attached with this. Okay, don't worry about this. And if I provide a green mask and a person who apply a thinner, so the green mask can remove with the thinners. Okay, so if you are if you want to cover this with some glue more, you can add like this Chinese glue. Okay, with this cotton, sorry, with this teeth packs. Okay, but here I install very carefully. Okay, but if I need in some areas, so I need to provide. And the one thing we have, another, the good cementing glue. you can provide this for confidence. Okay, install some tape here. Okay, and provide here nearly. Okay, like this. Close. Okay, now get a little cementing glue. Okay, for your confidence, and install or provide on some area to cover this. Okay, don't worry, this is not the conductive thing. Okay, this is non-conductive or not conductor thing. No electron can flow in this. Okay, I need to provide here some the green mask is very easy, but the green mask can remove the thinner. Provide some more and okay, finally I cover with cementing glue. Okay, after that time to provide a DC power. Okay, okay, now I need to provide a DC power for operating to check. Okay, first okay, first I need okay, first I need to clean this all the time with a soft brush, because this is the conductive thing. Where is my soft brush? I keep well. Now I not found, so I'm just cleaning with this to remove this solder particles from this area. Okay, and after that I need to install this. Okay, because if I touch this with components, so I can damage my any drive. So I am installing the screw. permanently on this. It's okay. Now I need to attach the DC power and check some power supply, the ratio of voltages and everything. Okay, now the time. First, okay, I need my switch. This is my switch to turn on the power supply section. Now I am just increasing my power supply voltages to operate. Okay, and first I need to turn on the inverter board, but the power supply is not consuming any power, but I need to measure the voltages. No any power consumption. I know about the card. Okay, first we need to have some voltages on some areas, but the 0 milliamps consumption I'm just checking. First of all, I need to have here the voltages. No any voltages here I have. It's mean our power supply is not in the working mood, because we receive a lot of broken lines. Okay, and now we need to first troubleshoot this power supply section. Okay, so first I need to check my switch, and I need to check the reverse polarity. Okay, first of all I need to check the reverse polarity protection. Okay, so here we have our DC capacitors. Okay, coming from reverse polarity protection system. And after that, first I need to check my switch. I need to bypass manually my switch. And I need to check the consumption of running this power supply, but no any consumption I have, so we need to follow the basic rules of power supply section, and I was discussed for a little inverter in live stream, and now I need to discuss again about this. So first I need to check the voltages and switch panel, and yes, we have a voltages and the switch strip jack. Okay, then why our power supply is not working? After that we need to measure. First I need to install the switch. Okay, and after that here we have a UC3845 for operating the main power supply to operate this system. Okay, so first I need to set my multimeter on the DC voltages, and after that I need to find UC3845. Okay, here we have, and one here we have. Okay, this is for soft start. This UC3845 installed for soft start this big capacitors. Okay, and this UC3845 are installed for main power supply. So first I need about the pin configuration. Here we have, this is our pin number 1, this is our pin number 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our pin number 5 is GND negative. Okay, I am attaching here, and our pin number 7 is our positive. And when I turn on the switch, I am receiving the voltages. First I need to change my multimeter range, and after that I need to set on maximum. Okay, now I am turning on. Okay, 7.9 voltages I am receiving, and after that I need off again this, and now I need to keep my multimeter negative probe on the pin number 5 and positive on the pin number 6 on UC3845, and check about the PWM output, and I think it's okay. I need to confirm this on oscilloscope, so I'm just connecting my probes with oscilloscope. And I need to confirm the PWM output waveform and frequency. And this time I cannot show the oscilloscope because here I am alone. Okay, now I am just checking the PWM output, but on the oscilloscope I am not receiving any PWM to run the MOSFET. So first I need to check the continuity. Okay, first I need to remove this power, and I need to discharge this capacitor, this DC capacitor, with this halogen bulb. Okay, it's okay. I smoothly discharge, and now I need to connect this with pin number 5 and negative. Okay, here we have a reverse polarity, so I need to check with this pin. Okay, so we have a continuity of IC, and after that we need continuity with source pin. Yes, we have a continuity with source pin, and after that I need to check this 10 ohm per gate drive. Oh no, why? That's all. Okay, the gate resistor is okay. First we need to receive a PWM modulation from UC3845. Okay. And after that we have one thing more. keep the multimeter positive probe on the pin number 7 of UC3845 and keep the multimeter negative on the pin number 3 for I sense, ampere sense. Here we need to have voltages. It's okay. Yes, I receive voltages, okay, for I sense, and after that you need to keep on the pin number 2 negative to receive a compensation voltages, and after that I am keeping on the pin number 1 for feedback. So we need about why I am not receiving a PWM output. I think the feedback network, we have an issue in the feedback network. So now the interesting thing is that we have an issue in feedback of UC3845. So now I need to work on feedback network, and this is my first time I receive a disabled power supply in this inverter because this is very badly damaged. So first I need to remove the power, and after that I need to discharge this capacitor, and now I need to about the feedback network. This is our pin number 1, and some board we have for feedback Optocoupler, okay. Not check the LED side, you need to check the resistor side. No any continuity I have. So now I am checking with pin number 2. So we have this Optocoupler, and yes, this Optocoupler is completely installed for this feedback, okay. So after that I need to check about this. Here we have, I think, for 100 ohm resistor. Here we have, no sorry, this is the 1 kilo ohm, okay. And here we have 2, and I think this is the NPN transistor 1 installed for feedback network, but the transistor is not in the working mode. So first I need to confirm the number, okay. Is this the W1P or is this the W2F? Because the W1P is the NPN and the W2F is the PNP. So first yes, this is the W1P. This means this is the NPN transistor, and we have no any continuity, and we need to have on this a continuity. So first I need to replace this transistor because this is not active, and this is the very difficult, okay, but I am trying. Okay, I set my hot air gun on 100. Now I need oh man, why? Okay, I remove this. Yes, this is the W1P. So first I need to install a NPN SMD transistor, and I have some pieces 1P. So okay, I'm just talking with myself, and first I need to check this. Okay, now we have a continuity. Now we need to have on this side, it's okay. This transistor is okay. And it's possible to the pin number 1 and pin number 2 attach in the IC, but first I need to work on this. Why the feedback are coming? The voltages we have not, and the feedback is coming here to pin number 1 to close the PWM. Why? Okay, now I'm just connecting again the power. Okay. Don't worry. Yes, now we have a consumption, and I hope we have a voltages, and I think I clear this on the single shot. So here is our GND, and here we need to 15 to 16 volts. Yes, man. And here we need to 12 volt negative. But our negative voltage regulator is damaged like previous layer. And I was told you about this special thing, but some people leave the layer, and this is the mistake of them. I just clear the power supply section with one single shot. Okay, and you need to watch this again if you want to learn. Just want this single shot. Okay, why? You need to check the related components. Okay, now I need to discuss. Okay, this is very long process. First I need to replace this negative voltage regulator, and after that I need to discuss this troubleshooting point with one single shot. Okay, this is the very complicated circuit, but I found from where this transistor. So some special tip I have, and first I read this, and after that I decide to check this area. Okay, I'm sharing with you. First I need to replace this because we need a negative 12 volt output from this component. Okay, what, who learn and who earn something, who live So who lost? Because I am teaching you with basics, and this is the working of some interested people, not for all. Okay, now I need to remove this with heat sink, but first I need to discharge the DC capacitors with this halogen bulb softly. It's okay. Now I need to remove this negative voltage regulator, and after that I need to draw some schematics of this. Okay, first I need to remove and install. First I need to remove this, and after that, yes man, come, all heatsink. After that I need to remove the solder from this hole, and this is my memories I am keeping with YouTube. Okay, and when I get a success in my life and achieve my goal, I am not leaving this field. Okay, now I am doing this work just to survive. Okay, for survive my child and me and my wife. Okay, and when I got or I get, so after that I need to work just for humanity. Okay, not for money. After that I don't need to charge a money, just I need to repair free. But first I need to achieve my goal. Okay, and now this is not my necessary. This property I have, this is my personal property, and if I give this property on the rent, so I can survive with this rent. Okay, but this is my hobby, and I have some special dreams and hopes and goals just for humanity. Okay, to provide help to people. Okay, in our division or in our province cannot solve these issues without me, because this inverter has come from very high distance, and everyone said to them this is not for repair, this is not able to repair, but I received and I thought I'll try. Now I am working on this. Okay, now I am doubts about this component, because and sometime I was don't know about this, what the working of this. So first I need to sketch some diagram, this in very short. Okay, not like very long. Okay, this is very short thing to explain. Okay, this is very short thing to explain. Just focus on this. The component name is L7912. What is this? This says the negative. What spelling, man? Is this right? Negative voltage regulator. Okay, negative voltage regulator. Now this is the pin configuration. Okay, pin number 1, 2, 3. Okay, the pin number 1 is G and D. G and D. Okay, but positive. Okay, not negative. Positive G and D. When you provide a for example, here we have a voltages. This is the negative and this is the positive. 16 volt DC. Okay, sorry, I rewrite on the red. The pin number first going positive. Okay, to pin number 1. This is the GND. Okay, and the pin number 2. The pin number 2 is negative input, so I am connecting with this to easy understand you. This is the input negative. Okay, input negative, and this is output negative, and this is our G and D. I am connecting. Okay, so this is our output. Okay, this is the negative and this is the positive. Now I need to provide a power like this. Okay, and check this component. Okay, so now I need to connect some wires with this. Okay, if this is set, so this is my goodness, but the first pin we have a white wire. Okay, so I need to set on this, not spending much more time, but first I need to check this. Is this possible? Yes, man, this is my goodness. Okay, and now I need to set. It's okay. First I need to remove this because I need to install a red on the first. Okay, red on the first. After that I need to pull up the hook again. It's okay. And now I need to install here. This are rules and regulations of colors. Okay, and this is our input negative and this is the true color for us. Okay, and the different color, so we can use this color. Okay, now I need to install this in the middle because this is our input. Okay, someone who watching me from long time, and I think you need to learn this thing. I am just here special for you. Okay, and now I don't know who you are, but the one person who watching me from long time, or I don't know about my friend who play my live and keep mobile on the side. I don't know, but okay, this is now same. Okay, GND positive, input negative, output negative, so I am providing the power to this. And this is our negative voltage regulator test for next time. So here is our GND, okay, and here is our input negative, okay. And now I am attaching this with my bench power supply, and I need to provide 16 or 17 voltages to this device, okay. Now I need to provide power, okay. I provide 16 point some volts, and now I need to check this with you, okay. So set your multimeter on DC voltages, and after that this is our GND pin, okay. So I need to keep my multimeter probe with this, it's okay. And now I need to check my input voltages. First I need to set my multimeter from reflection, that's okay. This is our input voltages 16.4, and this is our output pin, as you can see 12 point something. It's mean this voltage regulator is okay. So first I need to decrease the voltages, and after that I need to remove this component is okay. And why I remove this, now I need to check this. Am I right? I was remove this, or am I wrong, or we have an issue in our main board? So in the same configuration, okay. Now I need to increase my voltages again, okay. I provide 16 point some. This is our input 16.5, and this is our output 16.3. So this is damage. And remember this thing, this negative voltage regulator is related with your all voltages and amps in every sense section, okay. And this is very important thing, okay. Now I make this, so this is my favorite tool or instrument or something you can call. So I need to keep this securely, okay. Now I need to install this in board, okay. First I need to connect this with heatsink, and after that I need to remove these probes. And today I not receive any comment. First I need to read some comment I have or not, because I need to answer the questions, okay. So I am completely out from my channel, okay. Now I need to search again, and I need to find this live stream, okay. No any chat I receive, that's okay. And now I need to install this. set the position first. It's okay. Now tight. It's okay. And now I need to cut the extra pin. My cutter is not cutting good. I need to purchase another, but here I need to purchase from other country online. Okay, now I need to install this quickly. Here is the board. Here is the board. And one thing I need to say, if you are not receiving the 16 voltages per input, so you need to replace this little capacitor. The capacity is 100 UF and 25 volt. Okay, so you need to replace this, and after the replacing you can receive the 16 voltages. Okay, this is the important thing. Sometime I receive a lot of inverter for fault number 51 or fault number 56 and much more, and the reason just this little capacitor 100 UF and 5, oh man, sorry, 100 UF and 25 volts. You need to replace just this capacitor, and you can troubleshoot the fault, especially in high voltages inverter. 450 volt DC supported. Just showing the fault 51. After some time, when you turn on the inverter and run a load, approximately 5 minutes later, the inverter is show the fault number 51. It's okay. It's okay. Now I need to check this again. Okay, and after that some more special tips I am giving you. Okay, how you can check the power supplies without install the control drive card. Okay, in this time we don't need to install a control drive card because the inverter board is designed very specially to run just a power supplies. Okay, first of all, the growatt SPF 3000 TL and growatt SPF 5000 TL, the consumption power of this board without control drive card and without fans and without LCD, okay, just 14 to 17 milliamps and 48 volts. Okay, if the board and consuming more than, so you need to check the components. Okay, now this is our positive and this is our negative, and now I need to increase again my power supply. The board self consumption is 40 milliamps, 40 milliamps. Okay, 40 milliamps to 70 mean 70 milliamps. Okay, now I need to turn on Okay, I turn on, and the consumption is now approximately 70 milliamps. Okay, and now I need to check this component here. Okay, here this is our GND pin number 1, the same direction as you can see. Yes, you can see. And this is our pin number 2. Okay, 15.4, and this is our pin number 3, as you can see, 11.94. It's okay. Now we need to check some more powers. This is the this is the SG3525AN. Okay, and here we need to check for operating voltages. So first you need to know about the pin number 1. Okay, this is the pin number 1, like this. First I need to draw, because I don't know about this shape in English. Okay, so I can call, we have 15 pins like this solder mask. Okay, and we have a 1 pin like this solder mask. Okay, this is the middle hole. So I need to draw some more part better. This is 4, 5, same direction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You need to know about from this bottom side where is the pin number 1. So if you see like this solder mask, okay, so this is the pin number 1, and you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, now we need to keep the multimeter negative probe here. Okay, negative, this is the black color, negative, and the direction is same. Okay, here we need to keep a multimeter positive probe on this pin number 13. Okay, we need to keep multimeter negative on the 12 and positive on the 13. Okay, this is just one special thing more for you. So here I have a pin number 1 like this solder mask. Okay, this is the international rules. Okay, so here we have pin number 9, 10, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have pin number 12, negative, and here we have pin number 13. This is the enough voltages to operate this SG3525. Okay, sometime you can receive up 24 point some voltages, 23.95. This is the good value of this area. After that, I am sharing with you one another special thing before applying or installing the control drive card. Here, here you have a 2 cooling fan strips jack. Okay, First, I need to know about the cooling fan, negative and positive. So, this is the cooling fan of this model's inverter. Okay. So, the direction of this, I need to install like this. Okay. So, from this left side, we can count the pins. Okay. We have a positive pin number 2 and we have a negative pin number 4. So pin number 2 positive, pin number 4 negative. So this is our cooling fan jack, pin number 2 positive. Okay, pin number 2 positive, pin number 4 negative, and here you need to receive a 12 volts. Okay, without installing a card. So this one is okay. And now I am checking another cooling fan. So this is the good thing. Okay, and after that you need to check this voltages. Okay, learn about this. This is our HCPL 3120 pin number 5 negative and pin number 8 positive. Here we need to this voltages. Okay, 20.5 voltages. Once one. Okay, this is the second. Okay, and this is the third. Okay, and this is the fourth. Okay, and this is the 5. We replace this. That's okay. Now learn more. If you don't have a control drive card in your board, so you need to receive a voltages like this. Okay, keep the multimeter negative probe on the IGBT pin number 3. Pin number 3, you can call pin number 3 emitter or source in like MOSFET language, and emitter like an IGBT language. Okay, so you need to keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 3 emitter and keep the multimeter positive probe on the pin number 1 gate, and here we need to have a negative 4 point some voltages. Okay, here I am not receiving. Okay, not this one thing. Okay, here I need to have is this the reason of conformal coating or what happened? Yes man, this is the basics. Here I need to have voltages without drive card. Okay, without drive card, but I am telling you what happened. What happened to I am not receiving the negative voltages. Here I have for this one. Here I have. That's okay. It's mean this one is okay. And now here the second. I have not. Then Y. And here I have. Okay. And here I have not to receive, and here I have not. So you can check first from here. First of all, you need to keep on the pin number 8 positive, and the negative you need to keep on the pin number 6 and 7. 6 or 7. Here I am receiving a negative voltages. Here I need to check receiving, and here receiving, and here receiving. Okay, so after that I need to check again this 47 ohm resistor or bypass this, so I need to check this with this method easily. So if our 47 ohm resistor is damaged, so we need to have on this pin, but we don't have. Okay, and if I have not here, and if I have a match SMD 47 ohm resistor, so we need to have on this pin, but we don't have. Okay, and if we have voltages, but oh sorry, no any voltages, we have just on this. Okay, and just on this. Now the turn to more teach you. Here we have a 3 zener diode of 5 volts. This is the basics. Okay, a 3 zener diode of 5 volts and 3 zener diodes of 18 voltages, 1 at, okay, 18. So first of all, this is the 5 volt zener diode. First I need to check on this voltages. Okay, here we have a voltages, so it's mean this zener diode is okay, not short. And now here this is okay, not shorted. And now here we have one 18 volt zener diode, and we have 15 voltages, that's okay. And here we have another, okay, reverse polarity 20 volts. Okay, on the top side we have another zener diode. First I need to check this, and first I need to check this 47 ohm resistor to solve this issue. But we have on this, we have not on this negative voltages, this is okay, and this is the third, that's okay. And we have a 147 ohm resistor on the top side, and this is not related with these pins. Okay, this is related just with this. I am checking, don't worry what the issue we have. This is the basics. Okay, here we have on this top side 147 ohm resistor. Are you seeing the multimeter? Yes. Here we have a 47 ohm resistor, and this is okay. And here we have a 2 zener diodes, one 18 volts and another 5 volts. Okay, on this top side here we have, so the resistance is okay, and this zener diode is short. Okay, and this is the mistake of this company, why they install the SMD component in dip area. I am objecting. Hey growatt, if you are watching my video, why you install a SMD component in dip area? How can I remove this? If I providing a hot air, so this is the capacitor, this is the dip area. Why you install here, man? This is the dip area. SMD mean surface mounting devices, and this is not surface area. This is the dip area because we have a lot of components, and this area how I can replace easily. Okay, so now I need to solder this together, and this is a very big mistake of, this is not the growatt official board. Growatt cannot design the board. This is the board of the company name. I don't find. I think this is the Tongming. No, first I need to confirm. Okay. The YXD PCB, but I am not sure this is the designer name or this is the PCB manufacturer, but the mistake of the, the designer, the designing of board, mistake or flaw everywhere can, everything you can call, but the mistake is the mistake. Okay, so now I bend this for this situations, and now I am trying on this. Okay, so first I need to provide some solder. It's very hard, and the one way we have to remove these capacitors or better, but I'm just trying on this. The difficult thing is removing, not installing, but this is the flaw of company, man. They don't think about the repairing, they just think about the assembling. You can assembling this easily. First you are installing a SMD, and after that you are installing a diff. But what about us to repair this? Okay, this is the 5-volt Zener. Okay, and here I have a 5-volt. Wait, I have a call. Assalamu alaikum. Ya Rasulullah, bhai. Ya hada ma marai ku gua. Tabo jo. Ai zikar ma marai. هغه زه بیمار مو ډېر لټ شوی ما سړي ډېره تادي کوله جو ساجد ما ته ویلي وي یاره زه یې په مخه تنګولم تا ته هم ټلیفون نه کول ما یې چې که ډېره زیاته دا ایمرجنسي وي زه بیمار وم که نه نو هغه یې ما ورته ویل چې یاره هغه رالاړ شه او زه اکثر په خپل هم چې نه شم کولی کار هغه کسان لېږم ځکه چې بل څوک پرې نه پوهېږي که نه په خوځه خیله کې ها ها څنګه سافټویر څه مسله وه ها ها نه یاره دغه سافټویر سہولت زما سره نه دغه د سافټویر والا کار یې که نه دغه جدا فیلډ دی Muko da hardware karko ka na. Same. हाँ जी. हाँ जी. हाँ. 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 Same. हाँ जी. Same. అది రిపేరింగ్ డే అక్కడ తజుర్బా పడి. Optic was repair already. Same. Yes. Okay. Okay, dear. Sorry for wait, but I had a call. Okay. Now I need to install this 5-volt Zener diode. Okay. Care about the polarity. And sorry for this time because I need to keep on the specific area, and sorry for my head. This is a very difficult thing to install. The one way you need to remove this 2 capacitor to easy install. Okay, but I am not removing. I can, but I am facing some difficulties. Okay, I install this perfectly, and now we need to check. We change just one this. Okay, so now I am keeping board with previous direction and keep my multimeter on previous direction. Okay, and now I need to check this negative voltages, and this is very important thing in the repairing. A person who called me who said I repair on another person an inverter and the inverter is not run just for 10 minutes. Okay, and this is the main unique thing to check the negative voltage for running this IGBT. Okay, now I don't have a control drive card bus, but this is the first need for this i5 IGBTs. Okay, now I am turning on the inverter. I was turned on, and now on the same direction keep your multimeter negative on the pin number 3 emitter, and here as you can see I am receiving a negative 6 point some voltages on this, negative 6 point some voltages, negative 4.7 voltages. And now why the difference we have? Because the difference between the Zener diode quality are, if you want to completely, I think this Zener is not 5 volt, this is 6 volt Zener, so I need to replace this Zener or this two, but we have issue in our install, but you know about now. Just to install same company, same manufacturer Zener, so after that we can receive a same negative voltages. Okay, sorry for this. A same, this is the negative voltages, and this is our need to keep safe our IGBTs. Okay, and run this inverter strongly and perfectly. And next, see you next time. Okay, tomorrow. Wala gini. Ano ba sila share ko lang yan? Okay. So, nalabas na ka na and kung may ka napasok yan. Okay, friends. Next work we will share another time. So this stage was completed, and take care. Bye. See you next time.